Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is a drum without color. And look at the board. This one is your HW also. HW number 2. So everyone mention the HW number and write down the topic first on your copy. Okay, remember this, everyone must write down the topic. Look at the screen, look at the board. Now I will show you how to draw a drum. First, look at this one is oval. How I will start? Look at this, just start like this, slowly. And join here. Okay, then drag the line from 2 points and again join those lines for a little bit. After that, draw another 2 lines from this corner. Okay, so everyone look at this. I won't drag the line from here. I drag the line from here. That means little bit inside of this line. Okay, little bit inside. Look at this very carefully. This one and this one has a little bit gap, so you must give this gap. Okay, and then you will join these lines. After that, again give this type of 2 line from 2 corner and join this line for the last little bit. Okay, and then give the after that give a thread. First give 2 handles and give the thread like this. Okay, and how to a drum will be played by the stick. So everyone give the stick like this. Again stick like this. Okay, so your 2 stick have done. Okay, now I will show you which common mistake you will do. Look at this. Everyone draw oval like this. Not. This portion will be thin than this portion, but look, this everyone is fat. So remember this, when you draw you must draw like this oval. This one is right and this one is wrong. And another student draw like this type of oval. This one is also wrong. If you draw from here this type of drum, it looks bad. Okay, and another wrong you do. Look at this. Just draw the drum and finish it with a straight line like this. No, you won't use this straight line. This one is wrong also. So my dear student, I hope all of you understood this, which one is your mistake and how to draw the drum. So everyone must practice at your home more and more time and submit your HW every Saturday at 9 AM to 1 PM. Practice more for your perfection. No more today. Thank you.